Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to integrate DocuSign. Firstly, install DocuSign in your application. Navigate to Admin Settings, Apps and Integrations, then Marketplace Apps. In the search bar, type DocuSign and click on it from the search results. Click on the button that will start the integration between DocuSign and your web application. You'll be redirected to an authentication page where your DocuSign account will request permission to access your application. Just click Allow to grant permission. Sign in to your DocuSign account to activate the integration. After signing in, you'll be redirected back to your web application where you can see the company name and email associated with the integrated DocuSign account. You will now see the DocuSign on the right side panel on Contacts, Accounts, and Deals landing page. With these steps, you can integrate DocuSign and start sending and tracking documents directly within your web application. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.